Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for your English class. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English Perfection Toolkit Level 1 Empowering A Perfection Book 1 of 2. So, today we are going to start with section B, that is Tier 2. Okay. So, in Tier 2 or section B, you have two units. One unit is noun and the second unit is gender. So unit 3 nouns and gender. So we are going to start with unit 3 nouns. There are 17 modules in this particular chapter. Okay. So we are going to learn about the nouns, what are nouns and how we classify nouns and when how we can find the nouns in the sentence. So nouns is a basic thing that we see in a language. Okay, without noun there will be no sentence, without noun there will be no conversation between anybody. Okay, if I'm talking to you right now, if I'm telling you something, if I'm saying something, I'm saying about some noun. Okay, I'm talking about nouns only. So nouns are the basic and uh, first thing that we see in the sentence. So, what are nouns? To define nouns, the naming word or the noun, to identify the nouns in the sentence. So, the name of a person, place, animal or thing are naming words or nouns. Naming words or nouns क्या होते हैं? Name of person, places, animals or thing. When we are talking about any person, when we are talking about any place, when we are talking about any animal or a bird or a thing is a noun. Fine. So we always talk about all these things. Whether we are talking about any person or a place or a thing, fine, or an animal. So we are talking about all these things all the time. So these are the basic necessity for the sentence. So you can see here nouns. A noun is a person, place, animal or a thing. Noun क्या होता है? एक person होता है या place होता है या thing होता है. Person में हम क्या classify करते हैं? What we classify in person? Girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Johns, or your name. Fine. We are talking about your brother, your sister, okay, uncle, aunt. All these are person noun. All these are person noun. Then we have a place noun. School, home, playground, zoo, restaurants. All these are place noun. Temples, mosques. Then there is a gurdwara. All these are place noun. Fine. Then we have animal or bird noun. Means dog, frog, cow, lizards, peacock, peahen. All these are animal noun. Then thing noun, your book, flower, shoe, pencil, your fan, your eraser, all these are thing noun. So we classify our nouns in four category, that is person, place, animal or thing. या हम पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं या प्लेस के बारे में बात करते हैं या एनिमल के बारे में बात करते हैं या थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नाउन. Fine. So conversation, when I'm talking to you, you're talking to me, or anybody is talking to anybody, we are using nouns in each and every sentence. We are using nouns in each and every sentence. Okay. So you are going to learn the definition of noun. The definition of noun is here. The name of persons, places, animals, or things are naming words or noun. You are going to learn this definition. It is very important. Fine. So name means Mohan. Mohan is a boy, person, noun. Garden is a place. That is place noun. Then tortoise. Tortoise is an animal. So animal noun. Clock, thing noun. Phone, thing noun. Pen, thing noun. Okay. Your home, place noun. When we are going from one place to another, when we are visiting one place to another, then we are talking about the place noun. Fine. School, place noun. Fine. एक जगह के नाम को place noun कहते हैं. Fine. Then Mohan, boy, girl. Fine. Then your mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, all grandfather, grandmother, all these are person nouns. All these are person nouns. So, person nouns, place nouns, animal nouns, and thing nouns collectively make noun. Okay? So, you can see here on page number 23. On page number 23, you can see nouns. That is a visual page. Person, Hemang. Sarika. So boy, girl, person noun. Then places. Places are school, church, temple, all these are places. Then things. Apple, camera, flowers, all these are things. Then animal and bird noun. Animals and bird noun. Elephant, dog, frog, parrot, peacock, peahen, all these are animals and birds now. Okay, so you can see all these nouns around you. Fine, you whatever you are looking around is a noun. Fine, you can classify each and everything in these four categories, whether it's a person noun, place noun, animal noun, or a thing noun. If you're talking about fan, then it will be a thing noun. If you're talking about AC, thing noun. Okay, then your gardens, your parks, all these are place now. Getting this point? The persons around you. Each and every person will come in person now. So you're going to learn the definition of noun and you're going to read page number 23. You're going to read page number 23. You're going to learn. So you're going to do one activity also. In that activity, you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to make four columns. First column of person, then place, animal, and thing. You are going to make four columns: person, place, animal, or thing. Getting this point, and then you're going to write five things for each person, place, animal, or thing around you at your place. If you're talking about person, you can write father, mother, your sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother. Place, places near you, for example, temple, park, home, restaurant. You can write the name of the places or the just the category of places. Then animals, you can write the animals you see around you. For example, you see a dog, you see buffaloes, you see cow, you see bull. All these are the animals. You can write sparrow, you can write parrot. All these are the birds and animals you see around yourself. Then thing, each and everything at your place is a thing. For example, table, chair, fan, phone, your book, your notebook. All these are things. So you're going to write this particular activity in your notebook. You're going to write this particular activity in your notebook. Write five persons, five places, five animals or birds, or five things around you. Getting this point? You're going to write this activity in your diary, in your notebook, and you're going to complete it, and you're going to send me the activity. Okay, you're going to send me the activity. Getting this point? So your work is to learn the definition of noun and to do activity and read page number 23 and read page number 23. Now please take out your diary, everyone. In diary, you're going to write the date in date column, and in English column, you're going to write the read and learn definition of noun. Read page number 23 and do activity and do activity. So do complete your work. In next class, we are going to learn more about nouns. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.